Without knowing this basic concept, we could not success in stock market. How the stock wave pattern forms, how the charts move, how can we read. A normal person will see a chart like this, but the expert person same receive the same emphasis monthly chart like this, and then he creates a Fibonacci extension like this and set his entry point at and exit points and targets like this, with the entry point of 2088.11, first target of 3168, second target of 3525, and third target of 4032. This is an example for how to read a chart and how to give an Fibonacci extension and how to set the targets. This is an educational video. You just check the entry point and check how the stock moves, and then we can learn and then start invest in stock markets. Thank you.